Assalamu alaikum everybody. This is Dr. Altaf Ahmad Saidy from Afghanistan. How are you today? Are you okay? I hope so. Are you wonderful? I hope so. Today we're going to talk about the quick overview of cell biology and the organelle function of the cells. If you're happy with this channel and up to now you've not subscribed the channel, click on subscribe button and click the bell icon as well. When we publish our new videos, then it will become on your notification box on your phone. So let's see together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Cells are the smallest living unit of our organism. All cells have three things in common. Number one, what type of cell they are. All cells have a cell membrane which separates the inside of the cell from its environment. Cytoplasm, which is a gel-like fluid, and DNA, which is the cell genetic materials. There are two broad categories of cells. The first category is eukaryotic cells. They have organelles which include the nucleus and another special parts. Eukaryotic cells are more advanced, complex cells, such those found in plants and animals. The second category is prokaryotic cells. They don't have a nucleus or membrane closed organelles. They do have genetic material, but it is not contained with a nucleus. Prokaryotic cells are always one cells or unicellular organisms, such as bacteria. What are organelles? Organelles means little organ. Organelles are a specialized part of the cells that have unique jobs to perform. Let's start with the nucleus, the control center of the cell. The nucleus contains DNA or genetic material. DNA detected what the cell is going to do and how it's going to do it. Chromatin is the tangled spread out form of DNA found inside the nuclear membrane. When the cell is ready to divide, DNA condenses into structure known as a chromosome. The nucleus also contains nucleus, which is the structure when ribosomes are made. After ribosomes leave the nucleus, they will have the important job of synthesizing or making proteins outside of the nucleus. The ribosome and rest of the organelle float around in cytoplasm, which is the gel-like substances. Ribosome may wander freely with the cytoplasm or attach to the endoplasmic reticulum, sometimes abbreviated as ER. There are two types of ER. Rough ER has ribosome attached to it, and smooth ER does not attach ribosome to it. The endoplasmic reticulum is a membrane-enclosed passageway for transporting materials such as the proteins synthesizing by ribosomes. Proteins and other materials merge form endoplasmic reticulum in small vesicles, where the Golgi apparatus, sometimes called Golgi body, receives them as a protein more through the Golgi body. They are customized in the form that the cells can use. The Golgi body does that by building the protein into usable shapes or adding other materials onto them, such as lipid or carbohydrate. Vacuoles are a sac-like structure which store different material. Here in these plant cells, the center vacuole stores water. Going back to animal cells, you see the organelle called a lysosome. Lysosomes are the garbage collector. They taking the damaged or worn cells out parts. They are filled with enzymes that break down the cellular debris. The mitochondrion is the organelle that is the powerhouse of both animal and plant cells during the process called cellular respiration. The mitochondria make ATP molecules that provide the energy all the cell activity. Cells that need more energy have more mitochondria. Meanwhile, the cell maintains the shape through the cytoskeleton. The cytoskeleton includes the tide-like microfilament, which are made of protein, and microtubule, which are thin hollow tubes. Some organisms, such as plants that are photoautotropics, meaning they capture sunlight energy, have cells, the organelle called chloroplast. The chloroplast is where photosynthesis happens. It is green because it has a green pigment called chlorophyll. Plant cells also have a cell wall out of their cell membrane that shape, support, and protect the plant cells. Animal cells never have cell wall. There are many other unique structures that only some cells have. Here are just a few. In a human, for example, the respiratory tract is lined with cells that have cilia. These are microscopic hair-like projections that can move and waves. These features help trap inhaled particles in the air and expel them when you cough. Another unique feature in some cells is flagella. Some bacteria have flagella. A flagella is like a little tile that can help a cell move or prepare itself. The only human cell that has flagella is sperm cells. In summary, remember, eukaryotic cells are eukaryotic cells are plants and animal cells with a nucleus and membrane-enclosed organelles, while prokaryotic cells are unicellular organisms without these things. All cells have cell membrane, cytoplasm, and genetic material. And even though the plant cells have chloroplast, both plants and animal cells have mitochondria.
This for information about a quick overview of cell biology and a lot of my videos. Tata for now. Allah Hafiz.